Welcome to the Word Powered Made Easy. We are going to start session 4. In the session 4, we are going to discuss about the 10 medical specialists. So, in the last chapter, we discussed about the 10 medical doctors, or you can say 10 doctors. Now we are going to discuss about 10 medical specialists, what they do, how they do it, and what they are called. So let's say, what is wrong with you? Now what does it mean? What is wrong with you means somebody who is specialized in knowing what is happening inside in your body. And how they know about the inside of your body? They will ask you to go for x-ray, they will ask you to go for a blood test, urine test, cardiogram, so they can understand what is happening inside in your body. So they are known as internist. The spelling of internist is inter plus nist. So it is known as internist. Internist is a person who is expert in knowing what is happening inside in your body. Next, female trouble. We know gyne means woman and logist. So gyne plus co-logist means a doctor who specializes in woman disease, woman ailments is known as gynecologist. So gynecologist is gyne. Gyne means woman. Having a body. Now a specialist delivers babies and take care of mother during immediately after the period of pregnancy is known as obstet. Remember the word obstetrician. Obstetrician. So the obstetrician means a person who specializes in delivering of a baby and taking care of the mother. Then that person is known as obstetrician. Is your body ill? A doctor who is expert in dealing with the children ailments is known as pediatrician. So here pedia means child and trician means expert. So child expert or child specialist is known as pediatrist. Skin that clear. Doctor who deals with the skin related problem is known as dermatologist. Now derma means skin and logist means a person who is expert in it. So dermatologist. A physician who specialty is disorder of vision. If somebody is not seeing the things clearly, where is the problem, why this problem happens, so that physician who is expert in vision may prescribe glasses or give medicine or do surgery if necessary. That person is known as ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. So ophthalmologist, OPTHAL, ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist means eye specialist. How your bones? A doctor who deals with the fracture, spine, dislocation of hip. That person is known as orthopedist. So orthopedist. First is ortho and then PEDIST, pedist. Does your heart go pilter patter? A specialist treats the disease of heart and circulatory system is known as cardio. Cardio means heart. Logist means expert. So a doctor who is expert in heart related disease is known as cardiologist. Is your brain working? This physician specializes in the treatment of disorder of brain, spinal cord and rest of the nerve system is known as neurologist. Neuro, and Logist. So that doctor is known as neurologist. Are you neurotic? Now remember, this is logist and this is tick. This specialist attempt to alleviate mental and emotional disturbances by means of various techniques, occasionally drugs or electroshock. More often private or group psychotherapy is known as psychiatrist. So psychiatrist. Now, can you pronounce the words? The words take on a new color if you hear them in your own voice. They begin to belong to you more personally, more intimately. That if you were merely hearing or reading them, as always, therefore, say the words aloud. So, I'm going to speak aloud. You have to follow me, so that the word pronunciation will enter into your brain and you can pronounce nicely. Internist, gynecologist, obstetrician, pediatrician, dermatologist, ophthalmologist, orthopedist, cardiologist, neurologist, psychiatrist. Now, here is a field and here is a doctor. So you have to connect to the correct field with the correct doctor. Mental or emotional disturbances. So mental or emotional disturbances is I1. Nerve system. It is psychiatrist. Skin means derma. So dermatologist is a skin related problem. Diagnosis internal organ. So internal organ means internist. Infant means a child doctor. So that is known as pediatrist. Then dermatologist. Ophthalmologist. Actually, there is some problem over here. Skeleton system means orthopedist. Do you understand the words? Is an internist an expert in diagnosis? Of course, because internist is actually asking you to come out with different types of report like x-ray, blood test, urine test. So the answer is yes. Is a gynecologist familiar with the female reproductive organ? Gynecologist, G-Y-N-E, gyne means women. So yes. The obstetrician specializes in the disease of a childhood? No, obstetrician is a doctor or a specialist who specializes in the delivery of a child. So you can say it is not disease but delivery. So no. Does a pediatrician delivers baby? Pediatrician is specializes in the disease of a childhood, because pedia means children. So no. If you had a skin disease, would you visit a dermatologist? Of course, because derma means skin. If you had a trouble with your vision, would you visit the orthopedist? No. When there is a problem of vision, you are going to meet ophthalmologist. Orthopedist means you have a problem with the fractures and others. So no. If ophthalmologist is an eye specialist, yes, ophthalmologist is an eye specialist. Does a cardiologist treat the bone structure? No. Cardiologist is related to heart. Cardio means heart. So no. Is neurologist a nerve specialist? Yes. If you were nervous, tense, overly anxious, constantly fearful for not apparent reasons, would a psychiatrist would be specialist to see? Yes. Can you recall the words disease and the specialist? For a suspected brain disorder. So brain disorder means psychiatrist. tryst. For a thorough internal checkup, then it is known as internist. If you have a skin disease, dermatologist. If you have a heart problem, cardiologist. If you are tense, fearful and insecure, neurologist. If you are pregnant means it is related to obstetrician. It is related to obstetrician. For some disorder of female reproductive, then gynecologist. For a checkup of a 2-month-old child, then pediatrist. For faulty vision, ophthalmologist. For a curvatures of the spine, orthologist. So here we are completing the session 4 and we are going to start session number 5. What you need to do, I am going to put this entire PDF file in the video itself in the description box. You just download this PDF file and do the exercise by your own, and then you watch the video, or you can watch the video first and do the exercise. So you have to do it frequently to master the vocabulary. Thank you very much.